Uh-oh, got a flat tire? Don't panic. Whether you're on the road or at home, fixing a flat is easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to get back on the road fast. No mechanic needed. Let's get started. Method 1. Fixing with a tire plug kit. First, locate the puncture by listening for hissing or using soapy water to see bubbles. Remove the object with pliers, ream the hole, insert the plug, trim excess, and inflate to check for leaks. Method 2. Using a tire patch. Jack up the car, remove the tire, find the leak, prep the area, apply the patch, and remount and inflate. Pro tip. Patches last longer than plugs, but you might need a pro to remove the tire if you don't have tools. Method 3. Emergency fix with sealant. Shake the can, spray sealant, drive immediately, and refill air. Warning: this won't work for big holes or sidewall damage. Get a proper fix ASAP. And that's it. 3 easy ways to beat a flat tire without the stress. Which method worked for you? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more DIY car hacks. Favorite tire plug kit? Link in description.